Hello viewers, in today's video we will talk about brands. Basically, this is a default taxonomy from our commerce site. If you look at the home page, you'll see a slider with multiple brand logos on it. If you click on any brand's logo, it will open up a page where you can see all the products of that brand displayed and visible. The products of the brand bag that we searched for are currently visible to us in the display. Now in this video we will see how to add a brand, how to associate a brand with a product, and then if we want to make the brand slider visible on any page, how we can do that as well. First of all, in your WordPress dashboard sidebar, you need to hover over products. You will see the option for brands. As I mentioned, this is WordPress's default taxonomy. So you can see that multiple brands are already added here. Let's suppose you want to add a new brand named Louis Vuitton. You enter the name and set the slug as LV, and then you add this brand. Now this brand has been added. When we open the brands page, you will see that the system shows no results because there are no products associated with this brand yet. Now that you have created the brand, if you want to associate any product with this brand, or if you want to add a new product and assign the LV brand to it, and the product is from LV, then simply go to products and click on add new product. Here you can add a new product, for example, under the name jeans. After that you will set its description, then its features, attributes, shipping details, and further you can add a short description, a YouTube video, etc. If you look at the sidebar, you will see taxonomies, product images, product galleries, etc. From here you can add data to the product. So in this product we will add an image, and we will also add an image to its gallery. If you scroll down, you will see the product category. Since we are adding jeans, we will select denim jeans or whatever your category is. After that, we will associate the brand, indicating that this product is basically from LV. Now we will publish this product. Our product has now been published. Now, if you go back and refresh your LV brand page, you will see that your product will be displayed there. Yes, this is the product we added under the name jeans, and this jeans product is basically coming from Louis Vuitton, which is the LV brand. So this was a concept on how to add a brand and how to add products under a brand. If you want to assign any product from the existing products, you can simply go to products and edit any product you want. This is a shirt and we will edit it. After editing, if you scroll down to the bottom, you will see your tags on me brands. Here you can assign LV and then update your settings. Once you update the settings, you will see that on the LV page, there is now one product visible. We have assigned another product to the LV brand, so that product will also become visible here. Now, our last step is, if we want to add a slider like this, how can we do that? Now, let's suppose we have this page and we want to add a slider at the bottom of this page where the brand logos float in the form of a slider. So we need to edit this page with Elementor. Once our page is open for editing with Elementor, we need to add a container in which we can place multiple logos. Let's suppose now we come to this page and add a container. Now to add some space between this container and the element above, we have an element called spacer. Let's add that. You can set the amount of space as you like, and you can also copy and paste it if you want. Now for the container we just added, we want it to be full width, so we'll set it to full width. Inside it we'll place another container and we'll also set this container to full width. Now in this we simply need to place the image element from Elementor. So let's add an image here. Let's suppose the brand image we want to use is this one. As you can see, our brand image is now visible. If we keep duplicating it, you'll see that multiple images will be added automatically. Now that you've duplicated it, you need to go to its main container and set its display to flex. Now, all our brand logos are showing in a single line. If you want to change the brand logo, just go back. You can add each logo separately as you like. Sorry, you just need to keep adding the logo for each of your brands. So basically, we've now added the logos. After adding the logos, now we need to enable them on the slider to see whether the slider works or not. First, we'll save all the changes we've made so far. After saving the changes, we'll refresh our page and check if the logos we've added are visible here or not. As you can see, our brand logos are visible. Just like we carefully added some space at the very top, we'll also thoughtfully add some additional space at the bottom to make it look a bit more beautiful and visually appealing. We will gently increase this particular space as well. Now for our main container, we need to assign it. Basically, we need to enable the slider option for it. Go to the advanced settings. You'll see the slider value pack option. Just turn the slider on. After turning on the slider, you have the option to choose how many people to show in the slideshow. Let's just show 3 and then save our changes. We'll reload our page again. Now you can see that we've turned the slider on, but it's showing up in a vertical position. Why did this happen? If we go to debug this, we'll see that we've applied the slider to the main container, but not to the container where the images are placed. So we'll turn off the slider for the main container and then go to the advanced settings of the container that holds the images or logos and enable the slider there. Now, if we don't want the icons that we have here, we can move them as well. And if we want to change the icons, we can do that too. We will save our settings again and then reload our page. You can see that right now our slider is working. The more people you add, the further you can define their placement. For example, if we go into this container and then into its layout, we can define it. We have specified how much space should appear between them, how much space around we want to add. These are your own settings and you can adjust them as you wish. We have centered them, saved our changes, and we'll reload this page. Our slider is working, but when we click on any logo, it doesn't take us to any page. Why is that? That's because we just added images, but we actually need to add custom links to the images. So if you select this image and click on it, the settings will appear in the sidebar. Here there is an option for links. We will select custom URL. Now let's go back to our admin dashboard, go to brands and view our first brand. We'll copy its URL, then go to Elementor and paste that URL here. We'll save our settings. In the same way, we need to click on each image and assign it a custom URL. Now if you come back to the page and reload it, you will see that we have assigned a link to your first logo. When you click on it, our slider will work. You can see that when we clicked on the logo with the link you added, the brand's archive page, search result page, or what you might call the shop page or product page, has become visible and is now displayed. This is the page where all the products of that brand are shown. So basically this was the method of how to add a slider, how to add brands, how to associate them with products. and then how to bring them into the slider and assign links to them. So I hope you have developed a good understanding. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.